What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Beauty and the Beasts. I know we haven't done a video in a long time. Myself, I've been super busy with work. I've been working nights, days, long hours. So I've just been hectic, busy with my life. A little update on the Golf R, my Golf R. I got a wastegate jammed open because the spring was a little too hard. So I switched out the spring. I have it in the shop right now, getting that switched out. So hopefully that'll fix the problem. And well, not really a problem, but it was kind of over boosting a little too much. So hopefully that'll bring it down a bit. And the tune, you know, we'll have to retune it and do that. So that'll be good. Yeah, my Infinity, it's, you know, the headers are good and whatnot. It actually got an exhaust leak. I think the headers somewhere has a leak somewhere, so I'm getting that looked at too. I know it just seems like a whole bunch of problems, but hopefully they'll be all fixed. And I'll get my Golf R back, and it'll be just in time to put it away for Canada's beautiful winters. Yeah, beautiful winters. Not so beautiful. Like right now, look at the trees. Look at them. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous place. It's turning, you know, fall. It's a beautiful place in Canada. But anyways, we do have a surprise for you guys here today. And for that, I am going to let Jacob take over.
All right, guys. So I've had this in the works for a little bit. It's been about a month since I started.
About a month.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so bit of a surprise. If you followed us on Instagram, then you would have had the inside scoop. You would have seen a little bit of it already. Yep. So if you're not following us, be sure to do so. I'll put the links to the description or our tags at the end of the video. But for now, check it out. Enjoy. Alright guys, so that's it. Nice Pennzoil livery, however you want to say it. I know everyone's got their own opinion on that, but I think it's pretty nice.
I love it. I think it looks great. I think they did a really good job. Love the color you picked, that yellow. It's a really nice yellow.
Yeah, the yellow's on point. For if you want to know what color it is, it's a 3M gloss sunflower yellow, and it looks like it's something else in person. But
definitely the way the sun shines on it, it is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's super nice. So it's not quite done. I do have one more finishing touch to put on here. It's right in this area on both sides, as well as right here. If you notice some of the liveries, I'm going to keep stumbling on that every time I say it. But yeah, if you notice in those, they have a number placard, and I'm going to have that put on with the number 12 because the car's 2012, so figured that'd be a good thing to put on. And yeah, the sponsors down the bottom here, none of them are paid, so keep that in mind. But there are shops that I deal with, an insurance company that I deal with my buddy, and then this guy. If you're watching this, soon. Kyle's car has made me very, very jealous of the tune, and I want to deal with him very soon. So for those of you guys who don't know Mabotech, be sure to check him out because he is making big things happen with these cars, and actually with the Mark 7s.
Oh yeah, he's huge in the Mark 7s right now too, but yeah, definitely still really big on the Mark 6s.
Anything Euro, you know, He's a god with the tuning, it seems.
Yes, he is.
His big turbos are pretty fancy as well. So
Yes, they are.
yeah, it's I also got it ceramic coated, so the water beads off really nicely. It's really nice to clean. I dry it with a blow dryer, so that's pretty handy to do too.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, other than that, guys, I don't think I have too much more planned for this season before it goes away. I'm probably storing it at the end of the month is what I'm planning. I already took down my garage in a box and put that back in my shed, so it's getting to be that time of year where the depression sets in that you're not driving. So, well, we're gonna get our fill. So keep watching. You know, stick around, subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram because we'll be having some posts coming out throughout the winter as well.
Yes, we will.
So, all right, guys.
Give us a little rev. Yeah.
So let me know what you guys think. You know, I'm also wondering what you guys think. I've asked this before, didn't really get a response, but now I'm trying to get more onto it, is what color should I go with for the wheels? Should I go black, bronze, even silver, or get different wheels? I'm still up in the air on that too.
Yeah. Help us out with that, guys.
Yeah, they look good, they feel good, but I kind of want something that's a little more concave to it. I don't know. I'll let you guys decide.
Yeah, well, anyways, that is our video revealing Jacob's new wrap. Not fully complete, but it's good enough to film, and it is awesome.
3 more things left to go on, and it's done finally.
Yep.
So, think Kyle should get his R wrap? I've been trying to get him to.
I don't think so.
I've come up with some pretty good designs.
Yeah, he's shown me some of them. They do look pretty cool, but I don't know. I don't like my car being super flashy because it's already obnoxiously loud and everything is not, you know, the most legal on it. So,
everything's
yeah.
legal. Until you get caught, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Just don't get caught.
You can do anything you want once.
That's valid.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Till next time. We'll see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.